Hey everyone, Boris here, your favorite tax guy. So this is the video that I promised all of my followers and fans for a long time. Okay, so in this video I really want to talk about the difference between tax preparation and tax planning. And a lot of people that I talk to, a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs, and which is my niche specialty, are really attorneys and law firms. There is some kind of a disconnect between what does your regular accountant does for you on an annual basis and what can a tax advisor who does tax planning with specific tax strategies specific to your needs of the business can do for you, right? So before I get into the difference between really tax planning and tax preparation, right? So I just want to bring this analogy. Just think of it as your regular doctor, right? Your regular general medical doctor who you see once a year, right? You go to him for regular checkups. Sometimes you go to him more than once a year when you have a cold or a flu or you need a prescription or anything of that sort. Very minor things. And now think of a specialty doctor who specializes, who has a certain specialty. It's cardiologist, it's podiatrist, right? It's a ENT doctor. So those are the special doctors that see you for your specific part of your body, okay? So when you go to your general doctor and you have a certain serious issue, he's going to refer you to a special doctor to go see that special doctor, to save that part of your body or anything of that sort. So same thing when it comes to tax preparation and tax planning, right? You go to see your preparer or your regular accountant once a year, just like you go see your general doctor. You go to your accountant to get your taxes done, and his job is really to make sure that your tax return is accurate and complete and also filed timely. You only see your tax preparer in most cases once a year. There's few cases when you see him a few times a year, right? Just like a general doctor. If you have a cold or a flu, you go see a doctor. Same thing with your preparer. When you have a certain questions, you got a job and your spouse got a job and you need to fill out a W-4, or you want to open a business and you call him, hey, what's a good business entity for me? What should I really do? I want to open the business. Where do I file my articles of incorporation and so forth? That is tax preparer. A tax planner, somebody like myself, an advisor to your business, is somebody who has a profession, a specialty in this field where we help you as a business owner, or like the tax planner, right? Helps you as a business owner to identify strategies in your business that you can use to save money on taxes. That's not your preparer's job. Your preparer's job is really to prepare your tax return and accurately file it on time. And he's got a lot of clients to do that, right? He doesn't have time to sit there and do strategies and come up with implementation, advices, and so forth. He could give you regular advice, something that can maybe while he's doing your taxes, hey, this is going to save you money on taxes. But tax planner is somebody who takes a look at your whole financial situation, your life, your business, your taxes, your goals in the future. What are you planning to do with the business? Are you planning to sell it? Are you planning to retire from your business? How much money are you paying in the business right now? What taxes are you paying? What taxes you should not be paying? What strategies you're using? What advantages of the new tax law are you using? All of that, it's a major work, right? And it can be done only by a professional who only specializes in tax strategies. Just like a surgeon, he specializes in your heart. Same thing with a tax planner, right? He specializes in identifying specific areas in your business where you're missing out on deductions, you're missing out on certain credits, you're not taking advantage of the tax strategies. How do you think billionaires and millionaires, there's always something about them on the news, oh, they're not paying their share of taxes? Well, they're doing it the smart way, right? They know the law, or they hire one of the serious planners, tax planners that know what they're doing and saying, hey, according to the law, this is how much money you can save in taxes by taking advantage of these specific strategies. Now, your tax preparer is not going to say that to you. Your tax preparer, and don't get me wrong, I'm not saying anything bad about tax preparers. I started my field, a career in the tax business as a tax preparer myself. But as a tax preparer, my job was also really to prepare a tax return, accurately and complete and timely, and at the same time, while I'm preparing the return, identify the areas in the tax return to tell the client, hey, this is going to save you taxes. If you do a couple of these things, it's going to save you in taxes. But it didn't include strategies, because it's too late for any strategies when you come to file your taxes before April 15th for previous year, right? So let's say right now you came to file for 2017, you're coming in February or March to your tax preparer to file for 2017. The year already passed. A lot of opportunities passed to save money on taxes. Opportunities to take advantage of certain deductions, opportunities to take advantage of certain tax strategies that are available for you, for any business owner in America, really. The tax code is over 70,000 pages long. There's tons of things there, including tax strategies, legal tax strategies that IRS will allow you, okay? And you need a professional to do that. So really the difference between the tax preparer and tax planner are these two things. The tax preparer prepares your taxes timely, accurately, okay, and make sure it's complete and everything's done right. And you want to make sure you have a good preparer, right? A tax planner is somebody that comes in and says, hey, this is what we can do for you, and this is how much money you can save on taxes. This is the plan of action that you need to take. You can take it by yourself. You can have your preparer take the plan of action, and he can, once the plan is laid out, right? Or you can have the planner help you with the plan of action. But the point is, you can save tons of taxes on money, right? It doesn't matter how much money you're making, as long as you're a successful business owner and you're netting. I shouldn't say it doesn't matter how much money you're making, because really strategies come in place. Some good and advanced strategies come in place once you're netting anywhere, and I'm talking about after expenses and after you're taking out your salary, anywhere $70,000 to $80,000 start, you can really save a lot of money on taxes, because I can guarantee you, most likely you're missing out on a lot of deductions, on a lot of tax strategies. If you're a small business owner making $20,000, $30,000, hey, your preparer is probably already doing a good job, trying to say, hey, these are a couple of things that you're missing out on. But, it's always good to also assess your current situation before the year ends, before the tax year end. That is so important, right? You are in June, you are in March, you're in April, you're in August. That is when you have to come see your planner, your professional, not after the year ends and you come to do your taxes. Hey, by the way, you tell your preparer, each one of you that's watching this video, I can guarantee you, when you went to do your taxes and you're paying money on your taxes and your preparer tells you, hey, this is how much your tax bill, like, well, but can we do something to reduce the tax bill? Well, it's already too late. Your preparer probably most likely said, no, there's nothing much you can do. I mean, the year is done. We did everything we could. I mean, no, there's so many more things you have to do and you can do, as long as it's before year end and you come see a professional, somebody who does tax planning, right? So again, tax preparation, tax planning, two major differences. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my name is Boris, and I have a firm in New York City, and we specialize specifically in tax planning. We save our clients on taxes. We identify areas where they can save on taxes every year, anywhere between $20,000 to $80,000. And yes, $80,000 without exaggeration, because right now I'm working on a tax plan that's going to save a client of mine $87,000 on taxes, and I'm just being conservative, right? It's probably going to be more, and I'm definitely going to put out an update on one of our videos of how much money we really saved them. But really, yes, that's possible, okay? You just have to have a plan of action and take action and not be a procrastinator. At the end of the day, this is your money, okay? This is your business, and you want to increase your cash flow, keep the money in your pocket, and that's pretty much all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for many more videos that we're going to be putting out, many more educational videos. And as a matter of fact, we're working on putting out an ebook specific with tax strategies, and also we're going to put out a content, tax strategies revealed, and we're going to start putting out videos with certain tax strategies, and we're going to try to keep those videos short, not as long as this one. Anyways, till the next time.